Polkadot is currently in this very interesting area, but will we finally see the trend reversal to the upside, or will we break through to the downside? In this video, I will talk about Polkadot and share my price prediction for the long term as well as the short term. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group. I share daily analyses of Bitcoin, Polkadot and all other cryptocurrencies there. First link in the description. Polkadot is currently in 14th place among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $8.9 billion. And now that we have broken this last supply zone to the upside for the first time, we then saw the bigger retracement from this high at $11.90. And we tested this last order block here with these wicks and are currently also heading towards this order block. We can also see that Polkadot is between the 0.618 and 0.786 Fibonacci levels. This means the chance that we will see a trend win is extremely high. On the daily chart, we are currently still in this demand zone because this demand zone was the confirmed higher low. And from this higher low, we also gained a higher high. Educated, meaning statistically speaking, the chance is extremely high that we are here just bullish support, find, and then continue the bullish trend to the upside. And so far we have not left this demand area with bearish price action and acceptance below it. So far we have still found support here. And if we soon see bullish price action and break out with bullish momentum, the chance is very high that we'll see higher prices. And if we look at the liquidation heat map, we can see that we have a lot of liquidity coming up, especially above the last T4 at 740 and also up to $10. That means above all, over these high and above this high, we have a lot of liquidity lying around, which means if we manage the next breakthrough here, I would choose this price target. And even if we break this high here, the next price target would of course be this high here at $11.90. And from the current prices to this high, we have a potential of over 90%. If we then break through this high and find bullish acceptance, the chances are high that we're seeing price discovery and very quickly seeing higher prices and heading to this next higher high. And with this price target, we would have a price goal of $23.85. And from the current prices to this high, we would have a potential of almost 300. That means we already have extreme potential for the next price targets. And in the midterm, we naturally have the all-time high at 55%. And another factor why the trend reversal is imminent is that Bitcoin also has the chance to break a new all-time high soon. And so far we have seen 4 rejections here. And if we break through now, the chance is extremely high that we will see a price discovery and an explosion for Bitcoin. This means that if we see rising prices for Bitcoin here, there's also a high chance that altcoins like Polkadot will break out to the upside. At the latest in this order block here, we will get a rejection and then rise to the upside. If we break through here, the chance is extremely high that we will see significantly lower prices. But as long as we hold this level here and then break out with bullish price action, the chances are high that we will see rising prices. And if you don't want to miss any trades from me, join my exclusive Signal group. There you will get all my trades in real time and also my crypto spot coins. Second link in the description. So, to summarize, Polkadot is a very good project with extreme potential, and I think we will see significant developments here in the near future. We could see higher prices. We have often taken liquidity here, tested this demand zone. If we now break out of these highs with bullish price action, the chance is high that we will see further rising prices and continue the bullish trend to the upside. Only if we really break this order block to the downside, then the chance is high that we will see significantly lower prices. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. I wish you all the best in trading and see you in the next video.